In today's tutorial, we'll be going over how to make a directional head script for your mesh character. And so to start off, just jump right in. We will enter a local script into starter player scripts. Let's name it head control. Alright, you're also going to need a server script, so put a server script inside the server script, and we can also name it head control. Replicated storage, we also need a remote event. We will name it head. Let's define a few variables first inside head controls. Local p equals game colon get service players dot local player. Local m equals p colon get mouse. Local head event equals game colon get service replicated storage dot head. Alright, that's just a variable to get the head event. We're going to fire it. So we're going to use m for mouse, m.move, so whenever the player moves their mouse, n.move colon connect function. Open close parentheses, enter, got a function. Now all we want to do is head event colon fire server m.hit.p. This will fire a vector 30 to the server for the server to control the player's head. Now inside the head control server script, you want to also define local head event equals game colon get service replicated storage dot head. Then you just want to do a head event dot on server event colon connect function. And inside the function, we want to define the parameters p for player and pause for position. Now, what you want to find inside your character, inside the mesh, you're gonna find the bone for the head. Now, I want to say this only works if the bone position, the world orientation under world C frame, is already 0, 0. Alright, then we're going to go back inside head controls. Now we want to locate the head. So we want to make the head bone. So we want to locate it. Let's make a function. Local head bone equals p.character colon find first child. And this wants to be the name of your mesh, so mine is ch18. Then we just want to keep doing find first child until we get to our head. So first is we already hit child. Sign. Then sign 1. Then sign 2. Oops, on find. Neck. Head. Ah, yeah. Right. Ah! Yes, I want to go. Oh, child. In place marks. Head. There we go. Let's zoom back in. Ooh, oops. Okay, that should be good. Alright, and here inside we want to do headbone.cframe. We want to do world C frame, honestly. World C frame equals C frame dot new head bone dot position comma pause. Pause being the position that we get from the mouse, the player's mouse, and head bone position being head bone position. Now, if I did type everything out correctly, if we go ahead and play it, it should just go ahead. Oh. Yeah, let's put our starter character back in the starter character script. And we have a problem. Okay, hold on. See from the new P at world. Oh. Oh, okay, okay. Headbone dot world C frame dot position. Okay, now that should do it. Okay, and yes, as you can tell, our head does move at each direction. But obviously, as you can tell, our head should not be turning and looking like that. So what I did was I go inside the workspace, I go to my character, I go to the model, find the head bone, neck, head. And we look at the orientations it's at. We're looking at the regular orientation, not the world orientation, I believe. Alright, let's look real quick. Let's look quick. Take a little peek. Damn, I can't look from here. Okay, let's just look at the orientation, alright. Alright. And obviously we're looking at the Y because we can see that the Y is changing the most when we move our mouse from left to right. And so our max angles, it looks like it should be able to go to, you just want to guesstimate. So we don't want the head to look very unrealistic unless you wanted to. So we'll do negative 60 degrees and positive 60. Well, dude, let's do 50. Let's do 50. And for that, we want to do if head bone dot C frame. Let's see. Let's just really check what we're typing right quick. Do we do world? Okay, see, we're not orientation. Okay. If head bone dot C frame dot orientation dot Y greater than 50 degrees, then head bone dot C frame dot orientation equals head bone dot C. Okay. I think we just did a vector 3 actually. Yeah, we just did a vector 3 dot new. There you go. As you can tell, the head can no longer stretch more than it should be able to. You can also do that for the, I believe this is the x-axis. You know, you don't want the head going too low. But you can change this to any angle you want, just to keep from doing too much. And that's pretty simple. Nothing too major, nothing too crazy. You know, it does look a little wonky when you do it from the front, but doing it from the back, it looks pretty normal. You know, you get the head going in every direction. You know, you can also run a test. And because this is a remote event to a server, it will be visible to all other players. So let's see. We look at our player 2. The head is moving the directions I want it to, and we can still move this one too more simultaneously. No problem.